All right, Mac just came by. Quick little video here about some BattleBorn testing. So Mac and Jenny from Cruising Maya, great channel. They should check it out.
Thank you.
I loved your Northwest. I'm inspired to go fishing now on my next trip north. But you have these, and tell us about the history of the batteries. Well, you know.
Sure. Yeah. So we were planning a year-long cruise, which we did. And before that, we made the jump to lithium. So we installed these 300 amp hour lithium BattleBorn batteries, and with a supercharged alternator and a MC614 external voltage regulator. So yeah, great.
Did
system.
the DC system, you rocked it, you don't know generator, boom.
Right, yeah. And then we set off. We went to Alaska, and then we went down to Mexico, full year cruising. And we basically just abused the batteries. I mean, we were pretty much off grid the whole time, bringing these batteries down to 5% or lower.
Once in a while, it just happens?
Like a lot, you know, like, so, yeah.
But the refrigerator stayed cold?
Yeah, and we had a freezer. We added a freezer before, so
nice.
It was good.
All right, so what I did, and tech tips, we've done this before, but we took a power supply, and we always run a timer, so if somebody forgets, it'll shut down. But we made sure these were topped off to 14.2. BattleBorn says somewhere between 14.4 and 14.6. Watch the current till it dropped to just an amp or so, amp and a half, two, just so we knew they were full. Put them on this array load machine, and just did a 10-hour discharge. You know, basically 10 amps for 10 hours. We plugged this in at 10 amps and let it run just to see what happened. We put the low voltage cutout at 12 volts. I forget what exactly. BattleBorn is a little lower than that, I think is what they consider dead. But close enough. When lithium drops below 13 and falls off that knee, there's the last little bit of capacity. I was blown away. I sent you a picture, right? The first one came in at 99 amp hours.
Yeah.
It's like,
That's amazing.
it's like brand new stuff.
Yeah.
And that means you should get, 10 more years plus of cruising out of these things. Absolutely fabulous. So we did the same thing, repeat and repeat, and we got like 98, 99 amp hours. These batteries checked out perfectly. And so we want to share that, just a quick little update, and to let you know that this stuff is happening out there. Our students, former students, are doing research for us. So I think you should get a discount on your next batteries, in the name of research.
That'd be great, yeah.
Excellent. All right, well, get back out there and do some more cruising. Let's put these back in the boat.
Yep, that sounds good.